Can you guess what we're doing today? Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Callie Cat has deserted me. But working on makeup, so it's all okay. Boxycharm is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription. They send you 5 items for $27.99 a month. It's supposed to be worth about $210. You get to pick one of the 5 items they're sending you. They're full size. Did I say that? Or you can get Boxy Premium, where they will send you 6 full-size products for $39.99 a month. You get to pick 2 of those items. Every 3 months, you can upgrade if you want to Boxycharm Luxe. They will send you 8 full-size products for $59.99 plus, I think plus that $1.99 handling fee. This is a quarterly box, so it comes 3 times. It replaces the other one. You get to pick 2 of those items. If you want to try Boxycharm for yourself, I so recommend it. Just for the sales, you can get such good deals on stuff at the sales. I've been able to try so many products that I never would have been able to try, or to gift that I never would have been able to gift if it wasn't for Boxy. Like 80% off of things, like Glow Recipe and Anastasia Beverly Hills, and oh my goodness gracious, so good. I have a referral code or a link below if you do want to try this box. Right now, we're just going to open it up and see what's inside. Oh my goodness, I love the makeup and beauty. Hello, Charmer. Hashtag Boxycharm. So, on the inside, I got my card, got my foamy, and I got my products. Can't remember if I picked this time. I think I did. I think I picked. Says so fresh and so clean. And then on the back, you've got all my products. So I think I picked this Anastasia. I think this is what I picked for my pick of the month. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Gel. So I wanted to get some Anastasia Beverly Hills stuff, so I've kind of been doing that lately. This waterproof formula lasts up to 12 hours. The unique applicator allows color to be applied directly onto the brow hairs as well as the skin for a natural looking finish. The MSRP on this is $20 and it is in the color soft brown. Look how pretty their packaging is. You may not be able to see because of the, I don't know, I may have got too soft a brown. I'd rather go lighter than darker though. That's what it looks like on there. I'm not going to try to put it on my brows today, but I do have actually Anastasia stuff on my brows today. Not this stuff, but like the little pot, you know, where you put that kind of stuff. So I'm curious to try this one and see how it goes. $20. Very neat. I'm excited about that. Next on here is Touchin Seoul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. A lightweight skin tightening cream that will keep you moisturized with its hydrolyzed collagen and hyaluronic acid formula. Perfect for all skin types, this face cream will restore plumpness and firmness and give you a youthful all-day glow. The MSRP on this is $36, and I'm sorry it is so shiny. It's pretty though. So, face cream. Alright. I always like trying new creams. Lotions and potions. Oh my. Oh, and it's purple. Look how pretty. Pretty Filter Glow Cream. Alright, let's just take some off the top here. Trying to decide what it smelled like. It's a nice clean smell. That little went a long way. Let's give it a minute to dry. Do. Yes, I'm just weird. I know. Okay, we'll move on while we're waiting on that to dry, and y'all can see if it's oily, sticky, greasy, that kind of stuff. So the next thing is this Tarte Cream Blush. Tarte Breezy Cream Blush. Sorry, I left a word out. All right, it's in Pink Sky. It says, get that just pinch color in your cheeks with this weightless, waterproof cream blush. Just tap the silky formula onto your fingertips for a natural color that doesn't fade. It also helps you achieve a fresh and youthful appearance by minimizing the look of pores and fine lines, while smoothing and hydrating the skin with slip grip technology. Powered by marine plants, coconut, and sodium hyaluronate. MSRP on this is $27. How interesting. Makeup, I mean, they just claim like crazy today, don't? I mean, plasticky on the outside. Their claims today, they just claim to do everything in one product, and I just don't believe it. I just don't believe it. So that's what the back looks like. Front. There's a little mirror, and there is the color. Let me get the mirror. There we go. Let's just stick our fingers in. Did I get any color on there? I don't know. Yeah. It's faint though. Build? Yeah, it builds. Okay. So you can go as lightly pinched or as strongly pinched as you want. That's kind of cool. And no smell to it. Look at my fingers. I don't know about the blurring effect. I was looking to see what it did to the wrinkles on the back of my hand. I don't know. I'll play with it. We'll see how it goes. Very interesting. Very interesting. True and Luscious Angel Eyes Primer. So an eye primer. Color correcting eye primer infused with soothing botanical extract that creates a makeup gripping canvas to maximize color, vibrancy, and prevent creasing, smudging, and fading for up to 16 hours. Now I'm pretty loyal to the P. Louise, but I will try it and see. It says the tinted formula corrects redness and creates an even canvas that intensifies the vibrancy of the powder and cream eyeshadows. Infused with soothing Damascene rose extract, as well as bentonite clay to naturally balance oil and form a protective barrier under makeup. The MSRP is $22. I'm sorry I'm saying this stuff wrong, y'all. I know I am. Good, clean glam. It's in light or nude. Curious to see how it holds up to the P. Louise. How it, you know, holds up. How it matches. If it's as good as, you know what I mean. I don't know. I'll have to put it on my eyes to be able to tell. You know, see how it holds all day. This stuff, teeny tiny of the greasiest, but not bad and soft. So the the skin cream. All right, the last thing in here is F.A.R.A.H. This is liquid eyeliner, a matte black, highly pigmented liquid eyeliner that will blow you away for 18-hour wear. This liquid eyeliner has an easy-to-use felt tip to create a perfect cat eye. Stays on until you take it off. Easily removes with an oil-based eye makeup remover, vegan, cruelty-free, long wear, and waterproof. MSRP is $20, and this is a new launch. So, it is in black velvet. I don't wear the liquid eyeliner too much, y'all. I always feel like I shouldn't open these because I know they're just going to either be given away or I like to see what the brush looks like. Felt tip. Ooh, okay. Interesting. Got two eyeliners today, one in a different box. Oh, it's already set. It's already there. Yeah, okay. So what did we think of this box? We got the eyeliner, the primer, where'd I put that? Right there. We got the brow, it's not gel, it was something else. Yeah, brow gel. The blush. And the glow cream. Did it make me glow? Maybe a little. So what did y'all think of this box? Did you like it? Have you tried any of these products? Let me know if you have and what you think of them. I am curious to try them all out. Some more than others. But yeah, anyway, I'd love it if you would comment below and let me know what you're thinking. Please press all of those lovely YouTube buttons. I really appreciate it if you would subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe as well. Subscribing to my channel is free, and if you do want to subscribe to Boxycharm, the code and the link, all that good stuff is below. I appreciate it if you do use my links because they do help me out. Y'all, thanks for spending part of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful. Y'all, God bless.